The simple idea behind this program is to display a CSS grid layout, drawing lines, dividing grid rows and columns. These colored areas inside the viewport are the div elements. If I open Developer Tools, the Inspector tab, we can see that each one of them has some grid layout. Pressing the grid will display the grid. This program does the same. If I click on an element, its grid layout is displayed. All lines separating rows and columns are drawn. Let's take a look at the code. Here, in the body element is the wrapper, which contains all these 5 div elements, and the canvas. For simplicity, I gave them IDs box 1, box 2, and so on. The styling for them. Div sizes are set to completely fill the whole viewport. One event listener. Click on any of the divs to call the display grid function. This function is basically the whole program. It accepts mouse click event object. It is required to identify which one of these 5 divs fired the event. At the start, we set up the canvas element. It must overlap the respective div and have the same size. Then we get an object containing the values of all CSS properties of the div. Get grid template rows and columns properties. Console log serves to demonstrate that at this moment these properties are strings. Take a look. To actually draw lines on canvas using these properties, we must first convert them to arrays of numbers. That's what array methods do. Split by px, convert the string to an array of strings. Map array elements to numbers. Remove the last array element, which was converted from the empty string and respectively is not a number. The reduce method is required to accumulate the sum of the row heights and call the drawLine function, passing 2 points coordinates as arguments to draw a line between these 2 points. The file location is in the description. I scroll the file now. That's all for now. Have a nice one.